y'all got going on?
You don't even have to ask me. You already know what I'm doing.
What you doing reading?
Cleaning.
Oh, oh yeah.
Cleaning your house? Yeah.
Yeah, I've been cleaning since I got up and everybody gone. And the kids had arts and crafts time while I was cleaning. And then once they finished, I had to clean that too. But yep, cleaning. And then once I finished it, I got
What about you,
Life
Shay?
of a mom.
You're the only voice I haven't heard since I got on here.
Um, I'm currently in the hospital, chilling.
You in the hospital.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? Why you
Regular crazy. I made a commitment, right? And plus, it's something I really want to do.
girl, if you don't stop,
They not in my face, so I'm fine.
how long you been in the hospital?
Um, I mean, it's just today. I'm just waiting
What's
for these fluids to finish and I'll roll out.
what's hurting?
Back, my back is done for. I don't know what it is, but
Probably that air
yeah,
at work. I hate back pain, bro.
like it's all
You feel better,
over.
Shane.
Oh yeah, no doubt. I definitely it's manageable now. Before that means that's the reason why I'm here.
Did you
It
drive
stopped being
yourself?
manageable. It's so bad that you know me, dog. I hate this, but yeah, I did.
You know I was
Uh,
gonna ask. They
I
literally
know, I
they
know.
literally will not let us do that down here. Them niggas gonna roll you all the way to your car. They gonna put you in there too.
Yeah, they were because they asked me like, uh, did you come here alone? I was like, yeah, I did. And she was like, okay, so we'll just make sure that you stay a little longer until you feel up to leaving. Always wait till the meds like get out of your system first. So I'm like, all right.
That's smart.
So yeah, I'm just waiting.
You know, I be having family with me sometimes. They still roll me to the car.
You are not gonna get us in trouble, like, not at all. But yeah,
What's going on? What are they doing? I didn't hear anything.
I mean they're just. I mean, they gave me fluids, they gave me meds. I got it's down to a manageable level, so I'm just gonna wait for the fluids to finish, and then they're gonna
Did they
let
give you
me know.
oxygen?
No, I was like, they were like, your blood pressure is fine. I don't think you need it. I'm like, okay.
That don't
So,
matter. Like literally,
yeah.
if people I had started a conversation about that on TikTok, and everybody was talking about how some people were saying their doctors told them that they don't need oxygen. Like
Yeah,
sickle
no,
cell
it just is.
literally is the lack is we literally have sickle cell crisis because of the lack of oxygen in our blood.
Yep. So she was like,
Your phone muted. Yeah, your phone mute. I don't know if you meant to mute it, but we can't hear you if you're talking.
okay. Oh,
It's unmute now. But it was.
Oh. Mm.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this is quite stupid. Where is it
So
open?
basically for the mental health check-in, I just want to see how y'all doing. It's been a minute since we talked about mental health, so I was like, I wonder how everybody has been doing on their mental health journey, and what are some things that y'all have been doing? Have y'all been putting forth the practices that we said that we were gonna do? And that what video was that? That was the depression's chokehold video, I think,
Yeah.
where Goldie asked us what we were gonna do after we got off the episode to kind of like put things in motion. So I'm gonna start with Royal because since you already unmute.
Oh, I didn't even realize I was. uh, so as far as the things that with the topic that Goldie brought up, I have been pouring myself into my creativity. I don't know if I mentioned on there, but I was gonna see a psychiatrist, and since then I saw a psychiatrist, and I got prescribed some medicine for anxiety and depression, and which is a big step for me because I haven't taken medicine in 12 years, over 12 years. And
That's good.
I got the prescription for it, but I couldn't afford it. So
Gotcha.
that was very disappointing because I took the step to really do it because I hate the fact that they try to shove medicine down your throat before they do anything else. So for me to try to, really do it was a big step. So mentally, I'm still in the struggle, but I feel like I'm overcoming it daily. It's a process overcoming it.
That's true. They should have had some type of programs where you could get your medicines free, or at least the lowest that they can go.
Right.
They need to do better with that.
I need it free because if I'm pocket set up right now.
Yeah, they need some program, especially in California. Like I thought it was set over there, but I guess maybe in some areas.
It depends on your insurance.
Mm, got you. Oh yeah, I forgot. Insurance runs the healthcare field.
Yeah, that's another topic because I can go off.
Right. What about you, India? I know you wasn't on that episode, but just to like how has your mental health been lately, and are you doing anything to improve it?
Gotcha. Lately, I wouldn't say it's suffering, but I've been very exhausted from work, and I haven't really been implementing any sort of proper mental health care into my schedule. I've just kind of just been going with things, sleep, go to work, wake up. Today was like the first time I didn't have to do anything on a Saturday, except for go to this basketball game for the kids that we have at the center. But it took me forever to get to that. Like, I did not want to get out of bed for the life of me. And they just texted me, like, what time you gonna get here? I'm like, shit, I don't I'm not even trying to get up right now. I got there like 4 hours late. I did make it, but
Dang.
I feel like, I showed my face. That's all that should matter. But I don't know, going forward, I need to start setting aside time to just like rest. I've been lacking very much in that area. And like doing something that's actually relaxing, like not necessarily because painting and like making music and stuff that used to be relaxing for me, but now it's like I still enjoy doing it, but it becomes stressful at times because it's not coming out the way I wanted or whatever, or I can't think of a new idea or something like that.
Right.
So I feel like I need to find some new sort of hobby that is just fun for me. Like I'm not trying to make it work or anything.
I can understand it. What about you, Van?
Mm, not gonna lie, I kind of not in tune with my mental. I just been on go, so I can't tell you.
Okay,
Like
what
I've just been working. I work 2 jobs now and having to deal with the kids and graduation and basically like I haven't even like had my phone in my hand lately. Like I'll try to watch a couple of videos or something like on TikTok or whatever,
mhm.
but I don't even have my phone in my hand like that no more. Like I just been on go. So yeah.
What about you, Shaya?
Um, lately I just been. I don't know. Oh, okay. Can I get this one? Yeah. Of course. I don't know. I just I've been feeling a little. Hmm, I'd call it uncomfortable, but
Uncomfortable?
um, yeah, it like I feel like I'm forced to. I'm getting forced to move. Um, do you want to talk about the situation? Or you wanna- oh no, I'm on the phone. Sorry. Ah, okay. I thought you have princess and I got you on, you know. Okay. No, I'm fine. I feel like life is pushing me into a corner that I'm supposed to. Mhm. It's forcing me to move basically, and it gets mad uncomfortable for you to realize that you have to. So I think that's where I'm at right
I got you. Um, when it comes to me, I feel like it's a little advancing. Like I've been pretty much on autopilot. I do implement some things. Like I meditate. I don't do it every single day, but I do. I do it enough, I guess you could say. I meditate. I've been writing lately, not my novel, but I've been doing poems. So that has forced me to journal, I guess you could say. Because I'm not gonna make it seem like it's just something that I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna just keep journaling or whatever. But like writing poetry, because I feel like it's kind of the same because it forces me to think about my feelings. So yeah, I've been meditating, journaling sometimes. I don't do neither of those things every day. Um, I took some time off and rested. One, because I had to, and two, because after I had to, because I got sick, I was like, you know what? I need to take a longer break because I realized that I hadn't been implementing the routine that I was doing last year where I would work for 3 weeks and take 1 week off. And then I was like, let me get back on that. So next week, since that's the last full week of the month will be my off week. And when I say off, y'all know I mean off. Like it'll be my off week, which means I won't be at my computer at all. Um, so I feel like this for the past 2 weeks, I've been working a little less than I used to, like not staying at the computer until 6, 7 o'clock, unless I didn't really have a choice, like unless I was uploading a video or something like that, and I couldn't cut it off, but I would get off the computer and just come check it every now and then. So working a little less since I'm not I wrapped up writing the novel that I was working on, because y'all know when I start writing, I don't see nothing else. But for my week off, this upcoming week, I'm gonna like shut everything out. That means social media and everything like that. I'm gonna give myself like maybe a time slot, like maybe an hour or two of communication and us socializing virtually, maybe like an hour or two every day, since I have to upload my content. And I'm not going to try, I'm going to start my routine, which is getting back into working out every single day, meditating every single day, journaling every single day, and also getting back to my spell books, because I haven't been studying those in a while. Y'all know that I'm a witchling, a witch in training. So I'm trying to learn a lot about root work and I ain't gonna say witchcraft. For my culture calls it root, so that's what I'm going to call it. Learning Unlearning the negative things that I've been taught about it, and relearning what it actually is, and learning how to implement it to my life, into what I got going on, while also um increasing my spiritual gifts, I guess you could say. Um so yeah, and I think I probably will take 2 weeks off instead of that one, because it's the first Monday and Tuesday is like the last 2 days of May, but I think I'm gonna take those 2 weeks off, and the only thing that I'll continue to do as far as work goes is write the poems, because I don't have a choice. I just won't do it at the computer. I'll do it um maybe sitting no. I'll do it from my bed, or I'll come sit at the computer desk if I need to, but without cutting it on. Um but yeah, like I don't really know. I'm gonna do a self-assessment to see how I'm feeling. I'm also gonna try to find a chart or something like that, or like a formula for me to assess my mental health, to learn how to do that, because a lot of the times when I'm asked that question, I don't really know what to say. I don't really know how to define where I'm at, and like, put a name to how I'm feeling or whatever. I think I've been doing a whole lot of disassociating, um, as usual. So I don't really know how I feel mentally. Physically, I've been cool. I've been having pain, but it's been manageable. So, you know, I've been cool, but I don't really I don't really have an answer for how my mental health is, but I'm going to implement some things to assess it and to start working on it to make it better. Um, but if nobody has anything to add to
I
that,
had a I had a question for you.
okay.
I like I know you're a workaholic, so those 2 weeks, how difficult do you think that's gonna be?
I've done it. I've done it all last year. It's not difficult when I got something to do. Like I'm one of those people that have to rest intentionally, and then I still have to like have a plan, because if I don't, then I'm gonna just fall back into the routine that I already been in. I have to still put it in my little schedule, not that I follow it that much or whatever, but I still have to have something to do, even if that's just watch TV. Even if I like write down, watch TV this amount of time, listen to music this amount of time, I still have to have something to do, because if I don't have nothing to do, then I ain't gonna know how to function. So rest, but at the same time, I'm not gonna just not do anything at all. The only thing I will work on though is those poems. Aside from that, like I said, the spiritual stuff and my mental health and stuff like that, my physical health. I guess focus on my health for those 2 weeks,
That's
basically.
awesome.
But yeah, I have to
Oh,
plan it out because if I leave it just open, I'll go right back to the computer and start doing, what I normally do.
I forgot to mention that I have been journaling and meditating for the most part every day. I missed a couple days here and there. For the most part, it's getting pretty consistent. I probably like missed, like I said, 1 or 2 days up a week, but it's been the most consistent ever. The meditation and journaling ever in my life. Because when I used to try to journal when I was younger, I did not know what to write. And actually, my therapist sent me this list of journal prompts if you're having trouble thinking about what to write when you're journaling. That's something I could share with the people that listen to this as well. So it's a site that she said.
Yeah, you definitely can give it to me. I can put it in the description.
I was just about to say, please send it to me.
I got you.
Sure, we probably all need it. I know what to write, but not always. So yeah, I
Some of
can
those days where
use it
I
too.
feel like somebody I feel so out of it, and the only thing I can think of is I feel like shit.
Sometimes that's all you need to write. Just say how you feel. That's a start.
Right.